Look here, we will do the division of two complex number if z1 equal to a plus iota b and z2 equal to c plus iota d. And these two complex number where this z2 should not equal to 0, and then you can find the z1 upon z2. Look here, z1 upon z2, z1 is here given to you a plus iota b, and upon this is given to you c plus iota d. Look here, these you have to solve. How we can solve? Look here, this you have to rationalize. You have to rationalize. For that you have to multiply by the opposite sign, means c minus iota d you multiply, and you have to divide by c minus iota d. So look here, you get here in multiplication rule already know AC, then minus means plus, BD bracket close plus iota, BC minus AD, then upon you have this plus and minus, so you write c square minus iota square d square, c square minus iota square and d square. Iota square will be plus, so you can write AC plus BD minus plus iota BC minus AD a whole upon c square plus d square. You can write this answer also, or you can separate, and then also you can write that is AC plus BD a whole upon c square plus d square and plus iota BC minus AD whole upon c square plus d square. So look here, you can write any answer, this one or this one, both is correct. Look here, one question is that z1 is 6 plus 3 iota and z2 equal to 3 minus 2 iota. You have to find z1 upon z2. So look here, z1 upon z2 you can write z1 is here 6 plus 3 iota and z2 is 3 minus 2 iota. Look here, you have to multiply and divide by 3 plus 2 iota. So look here, this we get 6 plus 3 iota whole upon 3 minus 2 iota. You have to multiply by 3 plus 2 iota and divide by 3 plus 2 iota. Then you will multiplication, you know already that 6 3 ja 18. Then iota square will be minus 3 2 ja 6. Then plus iota, iota multiplication will be 6 into 2 12 and 3 3 ja 9. Okay, upon you can write here 3 whole square minus 2 square and iota square. Okay, 18 minus 6 we get here 12 and plus iota, this we get 21. Okay, upon 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 and iota square is minus 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 plus I write here. So you get here 12 plus 21 iota upon 13. This is also answer, or you can write that 12 upon 13 plus 21 upon 13 iota. This also answer. You can write any format, both are the same answer. Now look here, we will do here the modulus and conjugates of a complex number z equal to a plus iota b. Here z is given to you a plus iota b and you have to find out the conjugates and modulus. So first of all we will find the modulus. Look here, if this z is given to you, you can write the modulus of z. Look here, you can write modulus of z in this format. You can write modulus of z also, and this is equal to root of a square plus b square, or you can write here the square of real part and square of plus square of imaginary part. Okay, look here, example, if you are given to you z equal to 2 plus 3 iota, find modulus z, then what you write here, modulus z will be equal to 2 square plus 3 square equal to 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So we will get here this is 13, root 13. So modulus we get here root 13. All understand this? This is very simple. Now second part we will do the conjugate. Okay, now conjugate of z, that we write by z and bar. Okay, that line we will mark here, that bar, that is equal to, if you have a plus iota b, then you write here a minus iota b. Only you have to do change the plus sign to minus sign. So this we write conjugate of z. Look here, one example we will take. If z equal to given 5 minus 3 iota, then find z bar. Okay, that z bar will be equal to, here is 5 plus, means you do minus is given, you do here plus sign, 5 plus 3 iota. This is the conjugate. All of you understand this? So look here, if this change only the iota is given here plus sign, you will do the minus sign for the conjugate, and if minus is given, you do it plus sign. Okay, one more question we do here. If z is given to you minus 7 plus 5 iota, then find z conjugate, and this z conjugate will be here, this will be minus 7, you write as it is. Here you have to do change, this plus iota means you write here minus iota. Hope you understand, this is the z conjugate. So it is a very simple. Look here, one here properties we will have here, that if z is given to you a plus iota b, z equal to a plus iota b, then what we have, z conjugate we have a minus iota b, and if you do multiplication of the z and z conjugate, if you multiply, we get here a plus iota b and a minus iota b, and this multiplication you can write here, that a square minus iota whole square, that you can write a square plus b square. And look here, this is a square b square is the square of the modulus. You know already what is the modulus of z. Here this modulus, this is we can write here, we know already that is the modulus of z is root of a square plus b square. So here we write this is a modulus z square, modulus z square. So look here, one rule we have already, we prove here that z conjugate equal to modulus z square. All of you understand this? Some more properties you can understand for the modulus and conjugates. So look here, if you are given to you z1 into z2 and you have this modulus, that will be equal to z1 modulus and z2 into modulus z2. Look here, if you have to find this z1 into z2 modulus, that look here, if you have separate z1 modulus and z2 modulus, if you have, you simply multiply, you will get your answer. All of you understand this? Second property we have z1 upon z2 and modulus, that will be equal to z1 modulus upon z2 modulus, that is separate modulus you will have here, that here condition will be that z2 should not equal to 0. For the conjugates also we have same as it is properties, that z1 into z2, that whole conjugates we have, that will be equal to z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate, that separate conjugates you have here. And same as it is in the plus also, z1 plus minus you have z2 and you have this conjugate, whole conjugate, that will be equal to z1 conjugate and plus minus z2 conjugate. Look here, all of you understand this? Now we have for the division also z1 upon z2 and whole, that is the conjugate, that will be equal to z1 conjugate upon z2 same conjugate, separate conjugates we have here. Here also we will have that z2 conjugate should not equal to 0. So these are the property. With help of this property, the big questions you can write in the simple format.